If your feet can't stop tapping, it's time to start dancing. Let's learn some cool moves. First, let's warm up. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and give a big stretch like you're reaching for the stars. Great job. Now let's start with a happy hop. Jump up and down on the spot like you're a happy bunny. 1, 2, 3, 4, awesome. Next, we're going to do the silly spin. Spin around in a circle, but not too fast. Ready? Spin to the left and now spin to the right. Woohoo, you're spinning stars. Time for the funky freeze. Dance and move however you like, but when I say freeze, you have to stop like a statue. Dance, 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 a freeze. Fantastic. Let's try the robot rock now. Pretend you're a robot with stiff arms and legs. Move like a robot to the left and now to the right. Beep, bop, boop. You guys are amazing. Okay, let's put it all together. Happy hop, silly spin, funky freeze, and robot rock. Ready? Here we go. Jump, spin, freeze, robot. One more time. Jump, spin, freeze, robot. Wow, you did it. Well done, everyone. You've learned some super fun dance steps today. Keep practicing and you'll be a dance superstar in no time. Thanks for dancing with me. See you next time and keep on dancing.